Hey, where una dey? Movie directors, producers, script writers, wetin dey call that one? Production managers. Bia, I don come now. I don come una side today because I get better person wey no be all those actors wey una dey use. Jackie Appiah even dey learn work. I bring una correct actress. This one, after una see am, una go call her make she come work for una. You understand? For una wey don't know, na one Ghana lady wey she don, in fact, she don come out by herself, show her power, say I sabi act. Wey she sleep with one movie director wey promise am say he go give am role. After the director bang finish, he no even give her role. He even change location because you already know the previous one. He change location so that the girl no go come. But the girl still find out. Una see why she be good actress. She even find the location, go there, write her script by herself. She act her script. No, that girl na full movie on her own. Abeg, I wan make una watch this girl.
Present I'm going to be secret. I said, "Give me a cup." I said, "So for me, and then me no want to go." Yeah, we do me no. For me, say come on.
I ask you.
What to be that? What the matter? Who's the matter? Who's the matter? I for what did me? I did me and a party me. You had me. I'm going to Nana. Me no one be trying na I am. I die. And then me na me. Me na me for be a want to me and me. What? Nana.
Can you make see you? Yes. That and we do money pound, no? I didn't to call, no? Now some too way. I don't need to call. I don't need to call.
Una see wetin happen? No. Una see am. This one, you don't understand. This woman by herself, she don't come act movie. Wetin happen there na one scene, in case una don't know. Nigeria movie, a big Ghana movie. Now scene now, she herself, she write her script. She herself be the director. She herself come be the actress. She come there, come scar. You see how she just dey shout. She even dey knack this thing, say, "Hey, you no pay." My people, wetin we go expect? Now so this world dey. Now so e dey. You go see people wey this one wey dey live inside. People wey no even deserve one position like that. Now dem go get am. Why? Because they sell their body. They use their body in exchange. And they tell you, no be just for movie. Even normal job, if you dey find normal job, they go tell you before you go get am. No be say you no go get am, but you must. You understand? Lay down. Now wetin dey happen now? And now why the thing don dey affect people wey good? Because now nobody wan look paper again. If you like carry first class, nobody send you message. Those people wey ready. See, people dey wey their certificate now na their body. Una no. Make una dey sleep there. People don't make their body their certificate. Say first class, I get am. Oh, see, because of movie, you go open leg like tolo. How abeg which movie sef be the? No, my people, because I dey sure say una watch the video. So the settings, the location, it look like wetin go come outside. No, I just dey ask now before una go say I dey insult person. It look like wetin go come outside sell bring money. Why una no dey use una head before una enter into one matter? I dey tell una this thing real. I remember my own too. I wan become celebrity before. Wey they just tell me many things too. It happened to me, but me, I shall not even answer any director. You understand? You suppose stand for your ground. See me today now. No be here dey. Even those directors wey wan sleep with me that time, now they watch me. So see, my wetin I want tell una be say you no need do anything bad to prove say you dey good. If you dey good, you dey good. You understand? When time come, your star go shine. Now the message wey I wan pass una across, because girls una too dey rush. Where you dey go? No be all the movies where you dey shoot go come outside o. I remember one movie where I do one time like that, my people. Till today, I don't even know where the director don't go through him body. Even the movie itself. Till today. So now suppose they wise. See, make I give you an advice. Girls, make money. Yes, if you make money, nobody where you know go fit shoot with. Is it Jackie Apia? Abi who? Get money for your pocket, you go see say na dem go even dey call you ma, sir, ma. Na so it dey happen. Na suppose wise up now. Na just dey make me dey vex for this place. I dey tell you, you understand? Now my advice be that. I don't know whether una wan take am. If you don't like, no take am. Na here I go still bring una matter. You understand? Yes, my people. Now what I want be this. And don't forget now your Aproko Madam Irene Perico. Don't go far. Drop that comment there. I want to know what you think. And share this video. Make it go viral. Don't spoil my work. You understand? I will see you later. My people, another matter wey happen for Kenya don't come una door again. Yes, this one na secondary school wey dey Kenya, and the school girls now don't come outside come dey protest. Because according to them, they say people they rape them and nobody they do anything about them. And even the principal, they are aware, they very much aware, but she still they threaten them, say they must not talk and the matter must not go outside. And as I talk to now, this matter don't happen before, where eight of her students carry belle, where Ministry of Education even come the question am. Now so they settle matter until they come readmit them again. Yes, my people, well, before I continue, I beg I won't make you watch these children where they talk about. See the video by yourself.
Ametaka kuchukua letter of good conduct, anataka kwa principal of the year. Si atuonyeshe tu vizuri kwa principal of the year, sikutuacha hapa hivi ati ana protect reputation ya shule yake. Anasema tu jina yake forever in the name of the blood of Jesus. Hiyo ni nini? Ana threaten ma witness, anawaambia wakisema kitu atawapeleka jela. Wana threaten walimu wasipigie wazazi simu. Hata na threaten walimu.
Then they are telling the principal is telling her that you're just trying to destroy my name, but I'm protected with the blood of Jesus.
My people, waiting remain again. Una know they say they very obvious say this war don't they finish. And they tell you now, and the reason why this matter come outside now, as you already know, it don't they happen before. The reason why it come outside now because the girls, the students, come catch man, they rape another student. And the principal even they aware again when the principal contact and say if this matter reach public or reach their parents, say she go deal with them. My people. Now police come the question them based on the protest, the video we wanna watch. Police come call them, the question and say how far. The woman come open mouth, they talk nonsense. I beg. No, relax. I won't make you hear me very well. The woman come say the school they very fenced and protected. Say they even get CCTV cameras everywhere for the school. And then stranger no fit enter when nobody go notice. So therefore, the students they rape themselves for the dormitory and for bedroom. This na only girls' school. Oh. Be like say una no understand. Only girls' school. Now this woman come outside say the students agree. I will bring this woman outside. Now people like this I like to deal with. You understand? Madam. So for your mind now, the thing way you talk now makes sense. And wait. You thought say the children, the students, they rape themselves. What did they use rape themselves? Now you they provide the toys where they use. And the toys now, the toys get blood, it get vein, where they bring out sperm. No, because now wait till she talk. Say they do them by themselves. I'm not go there surprised. Say this woman, they do all these things when she they very young. Now she they try pass them to all these younger ones. My people, no be small matter. It is this thing now big disgrace. Make person of this age come outside, come talk this kind of thing. Serious disgrace. Now why as parents, my people, una suppose be very careful. The kind school where una they put una children. Una suppose find out first because nowadays things they happen for this world. You suppose be careful before you don't go know now. You don't go train lesbian for school. You say na business admin she go read. Una suppose be very careful. So if I be you, before I go put my child for school, I go find out, go to school, ask questions. Imagine this kind of school now. No, just imagine how those students will come outside And government, I beg, Kenya government, I beg you, do something about this case. Let this woman no go free. If not, the next case will go happen. It go be times 10 of this one when we dey talk about. I be my people waiting. I think I still want to know my opinion. What you think is supposed to happen to this woman and the school itself, and the people where she dey cover, because now the rapist, she know them. For her to do all those things, like they say, she know the people. So what is supposed to happen? Drop am for the comment section. This matter now, me and you get am. And if you never subscribe, I dey beg. Now beg, I dey beg. You understand? No send me go back to my village. Subscribe. Share this video, make it go viral, and click on that like button too. They're very, very important. I will see you later.